feel free to check it. It's 100% 3D printed.
This is what?
What is up everyone, this is Engineering IRL back with another 3D printed project, this time Beskar from the Mandalorian. As always, I'll be taking you through the process of how I made it, and this one's a little bit of a fun one because the model actually required me to paint it to get that final shiny look. Now off to the 3D printers. Now, making sure that that first layer sticks properly is important, so I just had to make a couple of adjustments, did a measurement here and there just to make sure things aligned and could go for the long-term print. That came out looking really good, so now just to take it off and peel it and have a quick comparison to the original 3D model, and as you can see, it looks just like what we intended. The next step is to get the model looking smooth, so I'll be sanding and filing it down. Don't worry about this step, it doesn't wreck the model or the design, but it does make it come out really smooth and ready to have some paint added. Next, I just needed to do some research on the color so that I could get a visual for what it will look like. This color here will be the final part, and what I'll do is I'll mix a darker silver just to get that initial layer on. Now the first layer is on and this is what it looks like. It's a little bit dark, but I'll let it dry and then do the brighter color to get that metal finish. And that's what the final product looks like. I'll do some epic slow-mos now just so you can have a look and see if we get the thumbs up approval from the Mandalorian. Look at that shine. Now, if you think I did a good job here, please hit the like button. It really helps me out. If you like what you saw, please consider subscribing. It only takes you 2 seconds, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.